As you can see here, this is the low pressure smart feeder from autogardner. uh, as you can see here in the gauge, it is completely zero pressure, and the water line which is connected to the device is this small tank. So ultimately the pressure is directly proportional to the tank height from the device or tap or plant. So our device, compared to other Chinese product or other product which requires a minimum 0.5 kg, that is 15 feet height tank, we can our device can even work at zero level also, at low pressure. So we are turning now on manually, which you can set automatically also. So if you can see, the flow on the dripper is low because the tank height is very low, which is much below than 5 to 6 feet. But still at this particular pressure you can easily reach up to 50 to 60 plants. And also it is very much suitable for people having vegetable garden and the plants on the terrace, where the tank is directly kept on the terrace, and our device will definitely not leak even if the pressure is zero. A special mechanism is done for low pressure applications. You can see the pressure is completely zero.